In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make your website using SSL HTTPS, step by step. So let's get started. So on your WordPress site, select this lock option. Here you can see that the connection is secure. Now you can see that the link is HTTPS. So let's go to Plugins and select Add New. From here, search for SSL. Let's select the first one. It says, no setup required, you only need an SSL certificate. Click on Install Now button to install it. Then click on Activate button to activate it. So now you are almost ready to migrate to SSL. Here we also have Go Ahead, Activate SSL button. Now go to Settings and select SSL. Here it says, 43% SSL is not yet enabled on this site. SSL is not enabled yet. Now before clicking this button, check for HTTP reference in your CSS and JS files, images, style sheets or scripts from a domain without an SSL certificate. Then create a backup from this link. You may need to log in again. Then you can also let the automatic scan with Pro version. Scroll below and click on Activate SSL button to activate it. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.